Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you're not new here. My name is Billy J and I specialize in bringing you the latest, most affordable synthetic wigs. Today's unit we have Sensational. She is a Y-part. She's a textured lace wig and she is a Y-part kinky loose spiral. And I got her in the color number 2. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Wig construction is pretty standard. It has 2 combs in the front, your adjustable band, 1 comb in the back with your adjustable straps. Now, when it came to putting this wig on, I really had to put this wig on about 3 times. I'm sorry to the big-headed girlies, but if you got a big head, this gonna be real snug. This gonna be real snug for you, okay? Just all the big bald-headed bitches, please, just beware. Or it could have been I only got 2 scoops of hair, and because I decided to go partially glueless, I was really tight in that adjustable band, a little bit too tight. I damn near give myself a headache. So maybe your head not big, and I'm just bald-headed. I don't know. If it's one thing, actually, maybe even 5 things I love about Sensational units, top 2 and not 2 is them kinky edges. And for Black History Month, baby, I'm definitely sporting my kinky edges. Baby, it's all me in the front. That's all African ancestry right in the front. And I'm just putting a little powder on that lace just to, you know, make it really look natural and stuff. And now that I'm taking a closer look at that lace, that is immaculate. I did not pluck anything. The separation from the baby hair to where the hair start, it just looks so seamless, and that's just going to add to the illusion of making everything look like it's ours. It's just a blendation of the situation. Whoever is in Sensational's kitchen, baby, tell them keep cooking. Keep whipping it up. And I know they got a fat arm. And that's no shade, because my grandma got a fat arm, and she threw down. The curls, they have the potential to be so gorgeous, but I just gotta know what I'm getting myself into. Should I detangle it with my hands, or should I go tangle it wide comb? So I love the hairline. I love how natural this hairline looks. It just, like, I didn't have to do much. I literally didn't even bother to paste the baby hair down, because I just love how natural this hairline looks. I didn't paste my sides down either. I just like the natural look of the hairline. Gorgeous. So I'm like, should I go hands? I just think that this could just look so fab. All right, I think I'm gonna go comb. I'm gonna go ahead and put the comb through it. But this wig was probably so easy. Like, it's so easy. So let me see. You know, I think they say you start from the bottom. Okay. Gorgeous. What we getting into? Okay. Gorgeous. Okay. All right. I'm literally layers. I'm gonna layer her. I'm already tempted. I'm getting tempted already to layer her. This is gorgeous. But let me refocus. So I did this side was the wide comb. This side I'm gonna go ahead and just like use my fingers and finger comb her with my fingers. Start from the bottom and come up and just see the difference in how it like oh, I actually like the fingers, I think, better. Oh, I actually like how the finger feels. So this is the comb. This is a comb curl. This is a comb curl. And this is the finger curl. Oh, that's so gorgeous. I wish I had bigger ears so I could actually do that. Let's go ahead and try to revive that curl that we had on this side so we can get it here. So we can do it like, oh, that's so gorgeous. But these are the curls. Love the curls. You definitely can see, need some body. It needs some body. I'm gonna do a little bit of just a little bit of cutting, just going straight down. I really like it like this, but I always have to customize my units. It wouldn't be if I didn't customize the unit. So I'm just gonna start really low. Already better. Already amazing. Like, it already is looking 10 times good. 10 times better. This hair is absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. I would give it a 10. I would give it a 10, but I can never give it a 10 because it is synthetic. It is synthetic. And you know what comes with synthetic hair? It's going to get tangled. And I think with this hair, it definitely did get tangled. Probably about like a what? Like a 3, girl. That's about it. Clearly I decided to put some layers in it. I just cannot resist. So yeah, I put layers in it because I wanted it to frame my face more, and I wanted to give it a more realistic feel. Like, this is definitely giving, like, this is definitely giving human hairdo, for sure, human hairdo. So like, mwah, chef's kiss, baby. Like, this is definitely sexy date night hair. Them edges on point. When the wind blow, baby, they're gonna be like, damn, like, her hair is mad long. How long she been growing that? What she been using? Extra virgin olive oil? I don't know. It just gives. It really gives, like, out the scalp. Would definitely give it like a I don't know, a 9. Like I said, I can never give it a 10. I can never give it a 10. Because that last wig, that shit traumatized me. But if you love this unit, like I love this unit, if you were going to get it, comment it down below. I love you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Thank you guys. Continue to stay beautiful, stay blessed, never stress, no less. Bye.